guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Tutorial Tuesday. Today we are going to be doing another tutorial for gift card holders. If you guys remember last week, I did show you guys how to make this little gift card wallet holder for Christmas. And I'm going to be making 2 more tutorials just to give you guys more ideas. As you guys know, Christmas Eve is tomorrow, so in case you still haven't had time to go to the store and pick up cards or anything like that, and you just want to make something at home really quick, I'm going to show you guys some really easy options. So here's 2 that I have that I'm going to be giving away to my relatives. And then if you guys remember, I did these little DIY Christmas envelopes. I'm going to be pairing this one with this one, and then I'm going to put this one inside this one, and then that way, you know, everything looks nice and cute. So those are some other ideas. If you guys want to check out those previous videos, I'll try to link them down below. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first one I'm going to be doing is this one right here. I mean, how cute is this paper? I'm obsessed. I love it so much. And I absolutely love the little deer. So in case you need a gift card, here's a little gift card that I bought just for the size. But I'm going to be giving it to my niece. She loves Starbucks. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and just... Again, I'm going to be cutting my own random measurements just because that's the way I kind of like to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and just do, let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out at a 3, let's do 3 inches. I think 3 inches is a good size. So here we have the gift card, right? So yeah, I think 3 inches is a nice size. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3 inches at the bottom, and then we're going to do 3 inches at the top. And then with our paper trimmer, we're going to go ahead and cut. And this is going to be the bottom part of my little gift card pocket. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the top off. So let's see, our little gift card is approximately 4 inches in height. Let's see, 3. So I think I'm going to go ahead and cut it at the 4.5 mark. It's approximately 3.5 inches in height. So then I'm going to go ahead and cut it at the 4.5 inch mark. Just like that. And then we're going to put that piece away, and then look at how cute. So I'm going to go ahead and round the corners now, just because I like a nice little round finish look. Perfect. And look at how cute that looks already. You can even use that as a little tag. And then I'm going to need this to be 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and leave about, here we are, I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch. And then, let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, and then about 1/2 inch, I think, right? 1, here we have the 1, 2, 3, and then about 1/2. Oh, I gotta do the same thing to the top. So that's 1/2, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4, and then the 3, because that's where my little line begins. And we're going to go ahead and cut. Oops. I hate when it does that, when the little thing comes off. Alright, so now I'm going to take the top off. So we're going to do this one at 3.5. Okay. Actually, let's do 3. That way my gift card can kind of show. Right there, 3 inches. I'm going to have to measure the top again. Alright, so what I want to do is, I want my edge to fold. So I'm going to go ahead, well, I want my edges to fold, so I'm going to mark it at the half and half. And then I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to fold these. Just like that. So that's a 1/2 inch. And then 3 inches in between. Now let me see if that fits. Okay. Good, that fits perfectly. So now I have to do a pocket at a bottom close. Alright, so then what you do, like I do to all of my pockets, I just have a little strip and I just need to cut it down to size. So I'm going to do about that much. And then I'm just going to fold it because we don't want our gift card to fall off, right? So then I'm going to go ahead and add some adhesive. Make sure our deer is facing the right direction. There we go. We're going to put that in there. Perfect. So, I don't know why I added adhesive there. Clearly, I didn't have to. Now what's going on here? I added adhesive here, so now I'm just going to add, let's see, let's add another piece. What was this? 4.5 inches. So I'm just gonna cut it down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a backing for it so that way my little flaps are nice and covered. So 4.5, and then I'm gonna do 4.5. And then, what was it, 3 inches? One, two, three, so at the 9. All right. So here we have 4.5 inches tall, 3.5 inches, or 3 inches, 3 inches, and then 4.5. Perfect. So then I'm going to round my corners. And then we're just going to add it. Oh, perfect. Just like that. And then that way it doesn't look that ugly. And take your time with it. Oh. There, mine is down. Great. I put it down too soon, so now I'm gonna have to Not bad. You could see a little white right there, but there we have it. Oh my god, that is so cute. So you pop that in there, and then if you want, you can add a little bit of pom-pom trim. I'm gonna go ahead and add the red one. My glue gun is nice and hot. Just to give it a little better look, a fancier look. And look at how cute that is. Let's make sure our pocket's not sealing. And we're gonna go ahead and cut. Love it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little decorative piece. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the little Santa hat. I think it's cute. Put it right there. Alright, and then I'm gonna finish it off with the little two. And then I'm gonna put the person's name right there. And then just add the little gift card. Put it on your tree, and there you have a super cute little gift card holder. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love it so much. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to do one more in case you guys need more ideas. Alright, so this one's going to be fairly simple. We're going to go ahead and stick with the 3 inches wide. And we're going to go ahead and cut. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and measure. Loving this buffalo plaid. So I think our card was 3.5 inches. So I'm going to do 4 inches. And then we're going to take the ruler. This is a good way to do it in case you don't have a scoring tool. Just measure, take the ruler, line it up, and then fold it down. And then once you have the crease, then you can align it from the edges and just scroll just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and leave a little flap at the top because I want to close this one up. So we're going to do we're going to do 2 inches. Or actually, no, that's not 2 inches. That's 2 inches. And then we're going to do the same thing. Oh, this piece we're going to take off actually. My bad. So my line is right there. I'm just going to take it up a little bit and close. There we go. Okay, so that's our little pocket. Now we just need our edges. So same thing, we're going to go ahead and just fold 2 little strips. It doesn't matter the size. You can do whatever size you want. I like to do them about that much. And then we're going to add them right here. Perfect. So now we're just going to add adhesive. And you always want the design to be on the outside, because then that way it looks pretty when it opens up. Or that way you can't see that way it looks more like a finished product instead of like the white. so hot. Alright, so then we're gonna go ahead and put it down. Then we're gonna bring this over, just like that. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then I have my little corner rounder, my little mini one, because I always like to give it a nice finished look. And look at how cute that is. So then for my seal, I'm just gonna go ahead and use these Dollar Tree Velcros. And you guys know how I like to do it. Just place them up just like that. And then just press down. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this little 3D foam sticker that says presents. Because technically we're putting a little present in here. It's a little gift card. We're going to put it right there. Just like that. And then we're going to add a little decorative piece. And we're going to go ahead and add this little bow. It's so cute. And I'm just going to put it right in the middle. Just like that. Very simple. All you needed was paper, a couple of tools, ruler, pencil, and a couple of stickers. And there you have it. And even if you want to add pom-pom trim, you can definitely take it up a notch and add the pom-pom trim. But I'm going to leave it just like that. And then once you open it up, then you can stick your gift card inside, if I can find it. I don't know where it went. I found it. So then you can put your gift card inside. If you want to stick it in with the envelope that they gave you at the whatever store you went to, you can pop it in there just for a little bit of thickness. Add it in there, put your gift card, and bam, a nice little gift card holder. So here you have it, guys. 3 different types of gift card holders that you can use for Christmas, for your relatives, for your friends, for your family. And very fun, very easy, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys have any questions on the measurements, if you guys just have any questions in general on how I did this, feel free to email me or leave it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. A Merry Christmas to you and your family. And I will see you guys on Friday. And I truly hope you enjoy these Christmas videos. Thank you guys for letting me share them with you. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!